আমিও তোমায় ভালোবাসি।
তোমার নাম কি? তোমার নাম কি? What is your name?
আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি।
Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
হ্যালো।
Where are you from?
নেপাল।
Are you from
Nepal.
Are you from Nepal?
Yes, I'm
Just
from
a,
Nepal.
I'm from Bangladesh. We are to neighboring country. Thank you so much.
Bangladesh.
Yeah. Can you speak Bangla?
Mm.
Can you speak Bangla?
Hmm?
Can you speak Bangla? Bengali language? Our mother tongue?
আমিও তোমায় ভালোবাসি।
তোমার নাম কি? তোমার নাম কি? What is your name?
আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। একলা চলো রে।
Okay, okay.
আরে
Okay, already electricity gone away. Actually, there is no problem. Just I am in the light here.
बेचारा खुली बोलना पाए भाई बोलना तो मेरी बोले है कि माने हो।
Okay, are you a student? Do you
I
study?
can't hear you. Can't hear you.
Are you a student? Do you study?
No, your internet connection is not good. Hmm?
Are you a student? Do you study? Student, reading, writing?
I can't hear you.
You cannot hear me. You cannot hear me clearly. Really? Okay. Thank you. Just what is your name? What is your name? Name.
Oh, my name.
Yeah.